Welcome back to my channel. Once upon a time, in the silly town of Ramapuram, there lived a mischievous little monkey named Charlie. Charlie was always getting into hilarious trouble and making everyone laugh with his silly antics. One day, Charlie decided to join the circus. He wanted to become the greatest clown the world had ever seen. He practiced juggling bananas, riding a unicycle, and squirting water from his flower lapel. At the circus auditions, Charlie's performance was a disaster. He slipped on a banana peel and crashed into the trapeze net. The audience burst into laughter, thinking it was part of the act. Surprisingly, Charlie was a hit. The circus director, Mr. Tickles, saw the potential in Charlie's clumsiness. He made him the star of the show, known as the Bumbling Bongo Clown. Charlie's hilarious mishaps and goofy expressions had the audience in stitches every night. One day, while practicing his tightrope walking, Charlie accidentally stepped on a goose, causing feathers to fly everywhere. The audience roared with laughter, and even Mr. Tickles couldn't stop giggling. Word of Charlie's hilarious performances spread like wildfire, and soon people from all over the world flocked to the circus just to see him. His popularity skyrocketed, and he became the most famous clown in the entire world. But amidst all the fame, Charlie never forgot to make people happy. He would visit children's hospitals and perform funny tricks to bring smiles to the little patients' faces. His caring nature made him even more loved by everyone. Years passed, and Charlie's laughter-filled journey continued. He became an icon of joy and taught everyone the importance of embracing their inner silliness. People learned that it's okay to laugh at themselves and find humor in the everyday moments. And so, the misadventures of Charlie, the lovable and hilarious monkey, carried on, spreading laughter and cheer wherever he went. In Giggleville, the laughter never stopped, thanks to their favorite clown Charlie, who reminded everyone that life is better when you're laughing.